Hello, Barry Anderson here with Trade Ideas, or from Trade Ideas, with the stock of the day. Now, guys, today was a tough market. The market was up at the beginning of the day, and it has been sinking rapidly over the course of the day. So really, the one I want to focus on, though, is Best Bath and Beyond. Bed Bath and Beyond, Triple BBY. Why? Well, this was an earnings play, okay? So I don't trade the pre-market that much, but this really caught my eye. Of course, look at this big down candle here. Then I noticed this big up, usually this is a fake of some sort, but, big topping tail here. These are on 15-minute charts, but it's an earnings play. And again, if you look at it on a daily chart, let me just get a daily chart for it up. Just give me a moment. Okay, you can see, there was a big important level right there that might have held it, and it didn't. So what I did was I ended up shorting it. I ended up shorting it right about here, just underneath that 18. So I, watched this nonsense, this big topping tail. It came right back down. And I am somebody who really likes to short underneath whole numbers. I just find that, they're psychological when they get broken. And boy, was I ever rewarded. So look what happened. 18 on, I think it was 1787 I shorted. I covered quite a bit, just under 16. And I was holding on just in case it had another collapse. It didn't, and I covered the balance just over 16. But just a really nice short. Now, the only thing I was worried about, of course, a little bit, was if the Wall Street Bets crew got a hold of this, because this was one of their favorite ones a while ago. But I don't think nothing's going to help this one short term. Obviously, well, I didn't even read the earnings report. Revenue guides didn't have to. The market told me this is what was happening. So a great short for Triple BY for me in the pre-market. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for the test drive. The test drive starts pretty soon, October the 11th to the 22nd. Sign up for it, $11.11. You'll have access to our full premium service for those 10 trading days. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.